ating bastion class. So you can see may bastion ako. Tapos meron pa akong necromancer. Suggest nyo kung na mas maganda gamitin. Mag-i-AFK muna ako. Tsaka may papakita ako sa inyong insane glitch na pwede kayong mag-reach ng anything na waves.
Hindi na-hardcore yan kanina.
Any waves. You need bastion class para dito, guys. Dapat nasa Atlantics kayo para mag-work tong bug na to. Okay. This is very easy to do. Like this, bro. First you need to grind like 1,000. 1,000. Mag-wait lang kayo hanggang sa mag-likay ng 1,000 guys. If you buy the drone, para mag-help yung drone na yan. Mag-help yung drone na yan. Nagbabag guys, ayaw nabili yung drone. Pero okay na yan. Ayan. Dito din na. As you can see yung mga drone, hindi siya nag-make yung 1,000. So this is where we're gonna put the glitch. Mag-wait lang tayo. Plus kayo ng ganito dito. Like this. This one is actually. This one helps you do the glitch easier. So we can put four of them. Like 3, that's all. And then put the last one in here. You're just gonna wait to buy the shelter. It's the easiest thing. Just wait. Okay. Shoot. Until you get the right position. Just wait, we're almost there. Place yourself into this wall. You put the bunker. Look, sometimes you spam it. Just look at. Now you have the bunker. See? Then you can stay down.